In question 1 of this exercise, we have to solve the equation x minus 2 is equal to 7. So the variable in this equation is x and the equation is x minus 2 equal to 7. So what we have to do is we have to separate out the variable and find its value. So to do that, what we can do is we can add plus 2 on both sides of this equation, because that will eliminate this minus 2 term on the LHS. So let's do that. So we will add 2 on both sides of the equation. So on the left side, we will get x minus 2, the original LHS, plus we are adding 2 on the left hand side, and on the right hand side the original RHS is 7 and we are also adding a 2 on the RHS because we will have to maintain the balance on both sides. So the minus 2 and plus 2 terms on the LHS cancel out, and on the left side we are left with only x, and on the right side we have 7 plus 2, that is equal to 9. So x is equal to 9 is the solution of this equation, and we can verify that it's true if we substitute x equal to 9 back into this equation. Then on the left hand side we will get 9 minus 2 instead of x minus 2, and on the right hand side we have 7, and we can see that 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. So the value of x equal to 9 is the correct solution. Now adding 2 on both sides of the equation is the same as transposing this term minus 2 to the RHS. So the same step we could also have written by saying transpose the term minus 2 to the RHS, and what this would do basically is directly give us x in one step. So we would write this as x is equal to 7 plus 2, because if you transpose minus 2 to the RHS it will become plus 2. So x is equal to 7 plus 2, or x is equal to 9. So these are two slightly different ways of doing the exact same thing. So the answer to question 1 is that x is equal to 9.
To learn more about how Cuemath can help you crack school and board exams, explore Cuemath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.